Ready to look more muscular in 30 days? Strength training includes exercises that involve the use of hand weights or your body weight, such as tricep dips and step-ups. You will be doing a lot of these exercises for this specific goal. How to look more muscular in 30 days. Welcome back, viewers. This time, weights will be your new buddy. That said, you shouldn't sleep on cardio. It's necessary and is part of this exercise plan. Contrary to popular beliefs, getting stronger doesn't mean you have to pump iron. Powerful exercises like burpees and calf raises will help you a ton. Continue watching this video to know the rest of the exercises you'll be following. Chest. Number 1. Push-up. 3 to 6 sets of 6 to 12 reps. Push-ups are one of the most efficient bodyweight exercises you can do to make your chest and triceps more muscular. Number 2. Burpee. 6 per minute for 15 minutes. For a more explosive move, try burpees. They're the ultimate exercise to work both your upper and lower body. A burpee also makes a good cardio workout. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Number 3. Pull-up. 3 sets of 2 to 5 reps. Don't be intimidated by pull-ups. It's a great body weight to work your biceps, shoulders, and upper back. You can start with a few reps and work your way up. Arm. Number 4. Plank up. 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Any type of plank move will make your arms stronger. However, plank ups in particular are effective for defining the triceps and bicep muscles. Number 5. Tricep Dip. 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This exercise quickly strengthens your triceps and pecs. You'll need a chair, bench, box, ledge, or staircase for this one. Number 6. Inchworm. 3 sets of 4 to 6 reps. Sounds fun? Well, almost. It's a creepy crawly exercise that makes you feel like a little kid. But don't be mistaken, it's amazing in building your upper body. Leg. Number 7. Step up. 3 sets of 15 reps each side. Step-ups are a simple beginner exercise that strengthens your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. You just need a staircase or a box for this move and you're good to go. Number 8. Calf raise. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Remember the last time you stood on your tippy toes to reach for something on a shelf? Then you've done a standing calf raise. The only difference is that you'll be doing it with a dumbbell on each hand. Number 9. Dumbbell squat. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Squats alone work your leg muscles. Adding weight, on the other hand, can help those muscles pop. So yeah, dumbbell squats for the win. Chest. Number 10. Chest press. 3 to 6 sets of 4 to 8 reps. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. While it's usually done with a barbell in gyms, you can also use dumbbells instead. Number 11. Lying dumbbell fly. 3 to 6 sets of 4 to 8 reps. Your chest will be more defined and toned with dumbbell flies. That's because this move hits your pectorals, deltoids, and biceps the most. Number 12. Pullover. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Build killer lats, pecs, and abs with the pullover exercise. It's a dumbbell move that can be done on the bench, floor, or a stability ball. Just make sure to grip the dumbbell well. Weekly routine for 30 days. Monday, arms, chest, abs. Tuesday, legs and butt. Wednesday, rest or cardio. Thursday, shoulders, arms, back. Friday, legs and butt. Saturday, rest or cardio. Sunday, rest or cardio. Comment your thoughts about this video below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.